Hello, my name is Alisson Mariano de Salles, and this video is for my final project of ECE 461. This video only has educational purposes. I did a phishing website for Facebook, and those are the steps I'm going to show you during the video. The first one, capturing Facebook source code. Because we want a malicious page that looks exactly the same as Facebook, we can use the Facebook code. So we just come to the page and right click, view page source, and we can either copy this code into our editor or just download the file. I download into this is my code, and we need to now identify the form element. To identify this form element here, uh, we can search here, but as you can see, it's a bunch of code. So the easier way that I found was just using this developer tool in Google Chrome, so I can isolate the tags, HTML tags. So here's the form, and then I just look here the name of the form and isolate it from the rest of the code because we are just working here. The third part was change the action. After the user input information in those fields and hit the button login, this form use this action tag, the action field, to see which which code is sending the information. So we are just changing this part. Here in Facebook, of course, is inputting to their own site, but for phishing, we need to create our own code to capture this information. So I create this login PHP, and this is our fourth step. And here inside the login PHP, I can manipulate those variables so I can get the fields value. So we already have the information here. So I just create this file to store the information, the password and the email. And I also did this header to Facebook so we can minimize the attack. So basically is that the phishing part, but now we need to test. So what I used was a PHP server, or you can test in a real server, but I'm just using in my local machine. I'm using ECE PHP 14, and then you can find your machine, your code, and this is how it looks like, the fake page. And I'm input information here now. Let's try my email and 1234. As you can see, redirect to Facebook page. If you go into your page, you have here the text file, and here is the captured information, my email and my password. Of course, it's not as simple in a real, because the user can identify here in this bar is different, the address, but when you send as a link or as a fake email, in a phishing email, the user will be able to click in this and go to your malicious page. That's it. Thank you.